What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Birdy Gator. You guys, I am here at Dollar Tree at this super huge location. It's probably the biggest location in my entire area. You guys, I'm already seeing brand new items. Let's reach up here and try to grab it. These are brand new for the week. 160 wipes, streak-free glass cleaning wipes. It says good for window, glass, mirrors, and car windshields. Advanced formula, streak-free, made in the USA. And the wipes are 6 inches by 6.65 inches. This is 2 pounds of wipes, you guys. 2 pounds. 2 pounds of wipes. Like something like this might come in handy in the winter time if you live somewhere where it's really cold and maybe you have a mild day, but you don't want to take like the bottle of cleaner out there and you just want to like do a quick window clean. Something like this would be perfect. I'm going to get one. I have a lot of wipes and things like that at home, so I'm just going to go ahead and get one, but it's nice to see such a great deal. I mean, 160, that's a really, really nice deal. And of course, I am looking for new cleaning supplies, new laundry detergent, name brand items. We have so much over here. We even have some behind me. Dawn. This past year, I've been using Dawn to get out laundry stains, and it works really well. This location has the lemon fresh, we have the lavender, and we have the classic. You guys know I'm always looking at this stuff now in a different way because I have my second channel, my ASMR channel, and I'm doing a lot with powders. And I recently filled up a cornbread box with a mixture of Comet and cornstarch and water. I let it dry for like a couple weeks in the box, and it became something in size really similar to like a block of gym chalk. Anyways, if you guys watch my channel, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't watch my second channel, you're probably like, what does that mean? What is she talking about? Check out my second channel, you guys. It's Birdy Gator ASMR. It's been my dream come true to have an ASMR channel, and I finally stumbled upon my favorite type of ASMR, which is like crumbling, crushing, gym chalk, powders, cornstarch, all of the powdery crushes. Like, that is my thing. I love it. And I loved it so much that I wanted to create my own channel and create all sorts of things using silicone molds and a variety of powders, and I'm just having a lot of fun. I just wish I had more time to dedicate to it, because as of right now, I'm only filming about once or twice a week for my second channel, and I'm wishing I just had more time to play, because it is kind of a very crafty thing. You have to make all of the mixes, and you have to put them in your dehydrator and pick out what silicone mold you want them in, and then let them dry, and then take them out of the mold. Or maybe you're adding glitter, maybe you're dyeing them. I mean, there's a lot. Some people paint them. So I've been having a lot of fun buying things for my second channel, but I really haven't been doing much with it yet. So many Suavitel dryer sheets. And I don't think this location has the scent beads anymore, but I was just at another store and I wanted to tell you guys that, you know, the blue bottle that has the scent beads that we've been seeing that looks like this. So the pink ones are Draft. I think Gain is the purple, and then Downy is the orange, or maybe it's the other way around. But those scent beads that we've been finding in here, I examined them, looked at the colors, smelled them. They are definitely what we've been finding in here in a mix. And they're pulling from those 3 brands. So yes, I know you guys are probably like, you talk about that every time. I can't help myself, you guys. I mean, it's such a great deal to get them here, you know? All of the Airwick options. Do you guys know that these cost $6 to $10 each in other places? Remember the VI Poo brand? Those cost $5.97 at Walmart. So if you see them here, get them here. I really like them. What is that? Lemon? No, fresh linen. Apple cinnamon. Amber woods. Lavender and chamomile. Now this is, what scent? I really like this one a lot. It says up to 300 sprays for 100 uses. So they're recommending 3 sprays per use. This is lavender vanilla. I like that one a lot. And then we have fresh lemon. Those are great to take with you, like if you're staying at someone's house, a hotel, anywhere. I mean, take them anywhere. I think they really work. I think they're really nice. Ooh, spruce. Those are so cute. We have spruce. We have glistening cranberry. We have apple cinnamon. What else? The clear and yellow is Hawaiian. Any other scents? I think that's it. 4 varieties. And then we have the Wizard sprays. These are room mists. We have morning mist. Hawaiian retreat. I love the colors. Any more? You guys look. We have cranberry oh so merry from Glade. We have cookie caramel rush. Any other new ones? Ooh, Hawaiian retreat, 10 ounces, also by Wizard. We have, what is this one? Vanilla papaya. Like, I want to smell all of these. I'm just going to be over here smelling them through my face mask. Lots of options. And this is like the solid thing. The solid, whatever you guys call this. I don't know what you call it. They're just calling it solid air freshener. We have citrus and we have lavender. And then down here we have the Sure Scents. Berry Blast, lavender, fresh linen, waterfall. What's this yellow one? Hawaiian. Another Hawaiian. Amber wood. Lot to choose from. Well, you guys, that's it for me for this video. So definitely come back to my very next video or check out my Dollar Tree playlist. I'm going to be filming a lot more here in this location, and you guys aren't going to want to miss anything that I have to share because this location is huge and they do have a lot to offer. So hey, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.